Imagine a universe teeming with mysteries, where even the stars whisper secrets across the vast expanse of space. In the midst of this celestial symphony, scientists have stumbled upon a truly remarkable revelation. A mysterious signal from a galaxy far, far away. But that's not all. Brace yourself, because our very own Milky Way is on a collision course with its nearest galactic neighbor, the majestic Andromeda Galaxy. Now let's break it down in a friendly and approachable way. Picture the universe as a giant, expanding loaf of bread dough. Galaxies, like raisins nestled within, are drifting apart as the dough rises. But here's the twist. Some galaxies aren't content with just drifting away. Nope, they're locked in a cosmic game of cosmic tag, hurtling towards each other against the backdrop of space. So what exactly does this mean for us, the inhabitants of this tiny blue marble called Earth? Well, it's like being passengers on a galactic roller coaster ride, hurtling towards an epic collision. But fear not, dear Earthlings, for this collision isn't as catastrophic as it sounds. It's more like a celestial dance, with stars and planets twirling around each other in a cosmic waltz. Now, let's talk numbers. The Andromeda Galaxy, our cosmic dance partner, is a behemoth compared to our own Milky Way. It boasts a staggering trillion stars, while we're home to a mere 400 billion. But don't let those numbers intimidate you. In the vastness of space, size is relative. As our galaxies draw closer together, you might be wondering, will they crash into each other? Well, not exactly. You see, the space between stars is vast. So vast that even in a galactic collision, the chances of stars actually colliding are incredibly slim. Instead, they'll be flung into new orbits around the combined galactic center, like marbles swirling in a cosmic whirlpool. But wait, there's more! Our solar system, along with billions of others, will be swept along in this cosmic tango. Imagine our tiny corner of the galaxy suddenly finding itself in a whole new neighborhood. It's a thrilling thought, isn't it? Now, let's zoom in on Andromeda itself. Nestled within the constellation that bears its name, this galaxy is a cosmic marvel. Stretching an impressive 220,000 light-years across, it's the largest galaxy in our cosmic neighborhood. And get this. If it were bright enough, it would appear larger in the sky than the moon itself. But what about the collision itself? Well, it turns out that our galaxies won't just bounce off each other like cosmic billiard balls. Instead, they'll merge together to form a single, colossal galaxy. Picture it, two cosmic giants joining forces to create something even grander. And what about the other players in this cosmic drama? Well, there's M33, also known as the Triangulum Galaxy, lurking on the sidelines. While it's unlikely to join the merger, it might just collide with our Milky Way at some point, adding another twist to this cosmic tale. Now let's talk about the science behind all of this. How do we know that our galaxies are on a collision course? Well, it all comes down to observations made by astronomers using sophisticated telescopes like NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. By studying the movements of galaxies and measuring their distances from Earth, scientists can piece together the intricate dance of the cosmos. But it's not just about observing the collision itself, it's also about understanding what happens afterward. Will our sun still rise in the morning? Will the stars still twinkle in the night sky? Rest assured, dear friends, for the collision won't spell the end of life as we know it. Instead, it's just another chapter in the ongoing story of the universe. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to ponder the cosmic ballet unfolding above. Who knows what other wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? As we journey through the cosmos, let's embrace the beauty of the unknown and marvel at the wonders of the universe. After all, in a universe as vast and wondrous as ours, anything is possible. Imagine, if you will, a journey through the vast reaches of space, where galaxies twinkle like distant jewels, and stars burn bright with the fire of creation. It's within this cosmic tapestry that our story unfolds, a tale of galaxies on a collision course, of stars dancing in the night sky, and of the boundless mysteries that lie beyond. First, let's talk about the players in this celestial drama. Our Milky Way, home to billions of stars and countless wonders, is set to collide with the majestic Andromeda Galaxy, a cosmic titan spanning hundreds of thousands of light-years. It's a clash of cosmic proportions, a meeting of giants that will forever reshape the fabric of the universe. But what exactly does a galactic collision entail? Well, it's not quite as dramatic as you might think. While the idea of two galaxies crashing into each other may conjure images of cosmic fireworks and cataclysmic destruction, the reality is far more subtle. You see, the space between stars is vast. So vast that even in the densest regions of a galaxy, the chances of two stars colliding are infinitesimal. Instead, what we'll witness is a slow and graceful merging of galactic proportions. Stars and planets will be swept up in the cosmic dance, swirling around each other in intricate orbits as the galaxies merge to form a new, unified whole. It's a breathtaking spectacle, a testament to the awesome power of gravity and the beauty of the cosmos. But what about us? Mere mortals living on the tiny blue dot we call home. What will the collision mean for the future of humanity? Well, rest assured, dear friends, for the answer is not as dire as you might fear. While the collision will undoubtedly have far-reaching consequences for the structure of our galaxy, the chances of any significant impact on Earth are slim. Our planet will continue to orbit the sun, our sun will continue to shine, and life will go on much as it always has. So as we gaze up at the night sky and ponder the wonders of the cosmos, let us embrace the beauty of the unknown and revel in the majesty of the universe. For in the grand tapestry of space and time, we are but fleeting inhabitants of a cosmic dance that stretches beyond the limits of our imagination. And as we journey through the cosmos, let us remember that the greatest adventure of all is the one that lies ahead. According to a study from 2012, it seems like our sun is going to get tossed into a new part of our galaxy. But fear not, fellow Earthlings, because our planet and solar system aren't in any danger of getting wiped out. Phew, but what about us? Will life on Earth survive this galactic shakeup? Well, in about 7.5 billion years, our sun is going to turn into a big old red giant, gobbling up everything in its path, including poor old Earth. But even before that happens, the sun is going to crank up its brightness over the next 4 billion years or so. That means things are going to heat up around here, big time. We might even end up with a Venus-like runaway greenhouse effect, making life pretty tough for us Earthlings. But hey, don't lose hope just yet. By the time all this merger madness goes down, who knows what kind of tech-savvy Earthlings we'll be. Maybe we'll have packed our bags and set up shop in space, leaving our old stomping grounds behind. And as for the merger itself, well, it's happening, no doubt about it. Thanks to some super precise measurements from the Hubble Space Telescope team, we now know that Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way. Talk about a galactic showdown. So, what's the endgame? Picture this. In the worst-case scenario, Andromeda smacks right into the Milky Way, sending stars flying every which way. It's chaos, I tell you. But eventually, all those stars will settle into a new groove, forming one giant elliptical galaxy. It's like a cosmic makeover on a truly epic scale. Buckle up for a cosmic adventure. So, remember that study from 2012? Well, it turns out that our sun is gearing up for quite the journey through our galaxy. But before you start fretting about Earth's fate, let me put your worries to rest. We're not going to get obliterated or anything. Phew! But what about life on our beloved planet? Well, here's the scoop. In about 7.5 billion years, our sun is going to turn into this ginormous red giant, basically swallowing up anything in its path, including poor old Earth. But even before that dramatic finale, the sun's going to crank up its brightness over the next 4 billion years or so. Translation: things are going to heat up around here big time. We're talking about some serious climate change, maybe even turning Earth into a Venus-like inferno. Yikes! But hey, don't lose hope just yet. By the time all this cosmic chaos goes down, who knows what kind of super smart humans we'll be. We might have ditched Earth altogether, setting up shop in space like real cosmic pioneers. And speaking of cosmic events, get this, our Milky Way is in for a collision course with Andromeda, our neighboring galaxy. Talk about a cosmic showdown. So what's the grand finale gonna look like? Well, picture this. Andromeda smacks right into the Milky Way, sending stars flying in all directions. It's like a celestial fireworks show. But don't worry, eventually all those stars will settle into a new groove, forming one gigantic elliptical galaxy. It's like the ultimate galactic makeover, and we get a front row seat to the action. So, what do you think about all this merger madness? Drop us a line in the comments below and let's chat about it. After all, in the grand scheme of things, we're all just tiny specks in the vast expanse of the universe. If you enjoy our content and would like to stay updated, we'd be thrilled if you could hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to us. Thanks for your support.